Liberty Pumps is pleased to introduce NightEye wireless-enabled products. These products, identified by the unique NightEye logo, provide remote monitoring and alarm notification to your smart device anywhere in the world where there's an internet connection. Are you away from home or on vacation? With the NightEye web-enabled system, you will know what's happening with your pump before an expensive failure or damaging flood occurs. NightEye is a free app. Simply download from Google Play or the App Store, and best of all, there are no monthly service or subscription fees for use of the NightEye app. You don't even need a PC. It's all set up using your Apple or Android smart device. Products that are available from Liberty with NightEye technology include alarms, the new storm cell battery backup pumps, and our very popular SumpJet water-powered backup pump. Let me introduce Caleb, a design engineer from Liberty Pumps.
Now, I'm going to walk you through the simple procedure of setting up, connecting, and testing your NightEye-enabled product. Today, we are setting up the NightEye ALM series pump alarm. These alarms are available with either a compact, snap-on style float for sump pump applications, or the more traditional wide-angle float recommended for sewage and effluent applications. For today's setup, we will be using the compact snap-on style float switch. It is designed to simply snap on to the discharge pipe of your sump pump. Make sure to set the float activation level 2 to 3 inches above where the pump would normally turn on, but below the top of the pit to avoid flooding. Mount and install the alarm according to the installation instructions. Connect the power adapter to the alarm and then plug the adapter into the wall. Next, insert the battery into the opening until it snaps into place, making sure the positive side of the battery is to the left. Finally, connect the alarm float provided by plugging it into the connector labeled float sensor. Optional auxiliary contacts are also provided for connection to an additional remote alarm or other home monitoring systems. Now, download and install the free NightEye app using your Apple or Android device. Once the app has been installed and opened, it's now time to create your account. Enter your email address, cell phone number, and a password. Then click Create Account. A text message will now be sent to the cell phone number you provided to verify your account. Enter the 4-digit code into the box on the registration confirmation page, then click Submit. Now, let's add the alarm device to your account. Before proceeding, make sure that your phone or tablet is connected to your home's wireless network. Next, click on the green Add a Device button to begin the process. Select your wireless network from the list that is provided and enter your network password. We suggest clicking the Show Password button to confirm that your password is entered correctly. At this point, the setup light on your alarm should be flashing. Now it's time to connect your alarm to your smart device using BlinkUp technology. This process takes about 10 seconds. Click Send BlinkUp to begin. A countdown will start, and before the timer expires, place the screen of your phone in front of the alarm and hold it there until the screen stops flashing. It is important that the screen of your smart device covers the setup LED lights towards the upper left corner of the alarm panel. When the process is complete, the Wi-Fi indicator will turn green and you will see a check mark on the screen. Your device is now synced to your account. Click Continue. The next screen will show you the current status of your alarm and give you details about its condition. Now let's test the system. Press the test button on the screen. During the test, the audible and visual alarm indicators will turn on for approximately 3 seconds. A notification will be sent to all of the contacts that you have set up for this device. An added feature of your NightEye alarm is a low temperature sensor located inside of the alarm unit. This feature lets you know if your furnace is out while you are away from home. You can set the temperature level for when you would like an alert, but the default is set at 45 degrees Fahrenheit. If you would like to add additional contacts, the system allows up to 4 per device. Click on the plus button in the contacts field to begin this process. Congratulations! You have now successfully set up your NightEye alarm and are ready to remotely monitor what is happening with your pump. For more information on Liberty's NightEye products, check out our website or contact Liberty Pumps.